Hey y'all, so I'm back with another review. This wig is coming from OUTRE. It is from their Perfect Hairline collection. Her name is Kihara, and she is in the color DRFF4 Rose Brown. She is 22 inches. She is a 13x6 unit. She does have this transparent HD lace, and you can also wear her glueless. Because she is synthetic, she's only safe to curl up to 400 degrees, so be mindful of your heating tools on her. She already comes pre-plucked, so what I am doing is extremely optional, so you do not have to take your tweezers out. The hairline kind of gives very round. I want to kind of jag it a little bit where it's not too uniformed in the front. So because the weekend is coming up, if you are preparing for date night, brunch with the girls, I feel like this unit is the perfect unit to pick up before Friday, Saturday. Would I personally pick this color again? Probably not. I would love to see how this hair look in a more natural neutral color, like a 2 or a 4. So that is the inside of the unit. When I tell y'all I am obsessed with this unit as far as the layers, this style is so pretty. That hairstylist that does cash doll hair, this wig definitely gives cash doll inspired layers. Very loosely inspired though, you know, because Daisy gets down. But if you are trying to have that type of style but not break the bank, this is a cute alternative. The texture of this unit is silky, so of course she did tangle. I've learned while looking at this tutorial, while I'm editing, while I'm doing the voiceover for it, I totally forgot to color the lace before I put this on my head. Usually certain wigs, you're able to kind of do that in person versus the camera, like on playback. Looking at it in person, it did not look cute. It did not blend well. But on camera, as I'm looking at it right now, no, like it blended really good. Could have been better. So like I should have colored this lace before I kind of added her onto my head. That is the mistake I made. I went darker with the foundation. I really thought this was not my color. Like I really thought this was so ashy looking. But yeah, you'll see the mistake that I made because the lace looked this so dark. It was so bad. So I did end up cutting bangs, and I regret I regret putting that darker shade. Yeah, I'm just going to continue to do what I've been doing. See? You see the you see, y'all see it. Y'all see how dark that lace looked? I will never do that again. A trial and error. I'm glad this was able to be captured on camera so y'all can see why I cut the bangs. But yeah. Overall, how I am feeling about Kihara. She is such a beautiful unit. Love the layers, love the style. Of course she's going to shed, of course she's going to tangle, but she didn't shed as much, but she did tangle. So make sure you are getting like a wide tooth comb or a wig brush. Even though this bang was created, I love a good bang wig. I wanted to just try something different. I love the price point of the unit. The cons, if you had to really pick it out, I didn't really care for the color, but other than that, this is such a cute pickup. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Just let me know in the comment section if you've already purchased her, or if you're thinking about purchasing her, what color would you do? Obviously, how certain wigs show up on camera with lighting versus how it looks in person and in natural light, it definitely makes a difference. So yeah, but thank you guys for watching today's video. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.